Dodge has finally unveiled the stage kits from the Direct Connection program, and I'm sure everyone is excited that your Redeye is going to have more horsepower than the Demon while retaining your factory warranty. From 787 to 885 horsepower, what more can you ask for? Well, you know I can. The Never Live promo video was our introduction to the Stage 3 kits, and that's just the thing, 3 stage kits. Where is stage kit number 3? Tim Kuniskis says that stage 3 is in development for more horsepower, and then there it is, an Easter egg Dodge is actually hiding in plain sight. So I'm calling it now. Dodge's stage 3 kit for the Redeyes will be 1000 plus horsepower and still retain your factory warranty. And in this video, we'll go over the Easter eggs and even quotes from Tim Kuniskis himself proving that this is possible. So enough of this fluff, let's get to the stuff. The video Dodge released a few weeks ago framed these kits right here as the final stage kits for the Redeye and made no mention of the stage 3 kits or even a stage 2 kit for the base Hellcats. Now Dodge released its Never Live promo video back on November 8th. In that video, Dodge announced the garage doors, Operation 25-8, power brokers, and direct connection. This is a video we're going to talk about because if you pay close attention to it, there are Easter eggs for a few things like the Charger Superstock, but I'll talk about that in a future video.
These are the factory performance parts that you've been asking for, tuned and updated with a direct connection PCM tuning module. These kits are emissions compliant and they won't violate your factory warranty. Our Stage 2 kit delivers a nearly 100 horsepower increase, and Stage 3 is under development for even more.
Now the Easter egg to Stage 3 is actually in a Stage 1 kit controller, or now recently changed to pre-stage kit. Now if you zoom in on it, you'll see a lot of 707s. That's most likely a reference to the other Easter eggs like the 707 and the Dodge Challenger Uconnect screen and the Rebel 707 on the clock. But what I am most interested in is in the boost number. It says 24 pounds of boost. If you look on Dodge's website, the current versions of the Redeye, Superstock, and Jailbreak have 14.5 pounds of boost. The regular Hellcats get 11.6 pounds of boost. It is possible that the Stage 3 kits coming could take the Redeye, the Superstock, and the Jailbreak variants up to 24 pounds of boost. Now I know you're probably saying right now that 24 pounds adds a lot of boost on a stock engine, but let me explain. We now know the Redeye Stage 2 kit takes the boost up from 14.5 to 16.5 pounds of boost with just a Hellephant pulley. With the right upper and lower pulley combo, high octane fuel, and some supporting drivetrain mods, Dodge can make it work. And what do you know, right after the stage kits were shown, we see Dodge is going to have a lot of internal upgrade parts for these high horsepower builds and drivetrain components. If you take a look at Dodge's Direct Connection catalog, it is obvious some things are missing. No Viper parts, avoid listing stage kits for the Chargers, fuel system upgrades, and even something as simple as headers. So that proves some things are missing, but would Dodge make an over 1000 horsepower Demon, Redeye, Superstock, or Jailbreak? Let's find out. Tim Kuniskis said in an interview a few months ago that they can make 1200 horsepower Hellcats. There's not going to because of wheel spin. What I find interesting is no mention of emissions issues. If Dodge can make 1200 horsepower cars without a problem, then that still leaves a possibility of a Hellephant being used for a foundation car in 2023. And that's a car I'm waiting on that I think is behind this garage door with the crown on it. The Stage 3 kit, I'm thinking is behind the garage door with the whiskey jug and the 3 X's on it. A 1000 horsepower Hellcat will happen. If not the Hellephant final edition car, then we will see a 1000 plus horsepower Stage 3 kit. Or in a perfect world, both the Hellephant get you almost 1000 horsepower on pump gas, and everyone else using the stage kits running E85 to get there. There are a few ways I can see Dodge getting the 24 pounds of boost. Dodge could easily go back to Litens to upgrade from the 317 Hellraiser pulley to a 285 pulley. That should get them up to 18 PSI. Or could step up to a 272 pulley for 20 PSI. And could go to a company like ATI for a 10% overdrive lower pulley that could take them in a 23 to 24 boost PSI range. All under warranty with selectable tunes. So we'll see if Dodge will keep their word on making game changers. Just saying. And that's it for this video, guys. A more powerful stage kit is coming. Will it be over 1000 horsepower? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Any of you Hellcat owners stuck with the Stage 1 kit, will you jump to a Redeye, Superstock, or Jailbreak? Or do you think Dodge will make a Stage 2 kit and get up to 797 horsepower? If you found this video helpful, give a butter a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. I have plenty more videos coming of me sticking my nose in Stellantis' business. And until the next video, I'm out.